What's happening, Lewis? All right, we'll give everybody a few minutes to join us. It's right at 10 o'clock, so. All right, one more minute, we'll get started. Got a few folks in the room now. Hey, Matthew, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Well, let's see if we can pull you a good one. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. Real quick, let's run down the teams. Diamondbacks, Gary D. Braves, Gary D. Orioles, Jeffrey M. Red Sox, Sean B. White Sox, Robert S. Cubs, Kevin M. Reds, John W. Indians, Lewis A. Rockies, Robert S. Tigers, Robert S. Astros, Joe O. Royals, Angels, Dodgers, Robert S. Marlins, Jim K. Brewers, Robert S. Twins, Jim K. Yankees, Mets, A's, Robert S. Phillies, David H. Pirates and Padres, Robert S. Giants, Matthew J. Mariners, Zach H. Cardinals, Robert S. Tampa Bay Rays, Matthew J. Rangers, Jim K. Blue Jays and Nationals, Robert S. Robert, Bob, hopefully we'll pull you some fire tonight. You got quite a few teams there. This is Optic number 2. We've got one hobby box of Optic and 3 mega boxes. So let's go ahead and crack these open and get started. Do appreciate you guys joining us. Yeah, absolutely. No Braves game. Perfect timing. I'm a Braves fan as well. All right, empty box. Do the hobby last. empty box. Yeah, that's a great question. We're hurting right now, without a doubt. But as long as the offense stays hot like it has, then we should be in good shape. Empty box. Bullpen hasn't done too bad. It's just that starting pitching. All right, empty box. All right, we'll do the mega boxes first. And I will sleeve up all the big rookies, and any big hits we'll top load. And as always, all cards will ship, so I'll get those out probably tomorrow, the next day at the most. And here we go. Good luck, everyone. Actually, I'm going to open 3 or 4 at a time. All right, here we go. Walker Buehler, Marte, rated prospect Joey Bart for the Giants. Devers, Diamond Kings. Eloy Jimenez, Albert Pujols. Votto Illusions. Guerrero Jr., Diamond Kings. Matt Olson. Alcantara. Mythical Ronald Acuna Jr. That is a prism. That's it. Rated rookie Murphy. Brandon Lowe. Lucas Giolito, Diamond Kings Prism, Silver. And Bo Bichette Stained Glass. Sleeve these up. All right. Baez All-Stars. Willie Calhoun. Votto. Illusion Tierra. Simeon. Optic. Suarez. And looks like we have an auto here out of the mega box of Evan White. Seattle Fireworks. Evan White for Seattle. Nice hit, Mariners. And that is not numbered, but a nice hit. seen that one. All right, Blyleven, rated rookie Barrera, Josh Donaldson, Marte, Lewis Robert, the rookies for the White Sox. That's it for the White Sox. All right, rated rookie Solak, Alex Bregman, Rendon. Got a Brendan McKay Silver Prism for the Rays. Palumbo, Laureano, Blake Snell Silver Prism. A little rough on the top there. A nice Mackenzie Gore for the Padres. Bieber, Altuve, Simeon, Mitchell, rated rookie Jalen Davis. Yeah, I have not seen a lot of Fireworks Auto either. That's a pretty nice card. Especially coming out of a mega box. Alright, finish opening the rest of these mega boxes. Looks like we got another auto. I believe the mega boxes is on average one auto per box, so I would think we would get 3 out of there. But we will find out. While I'm ripping here, I do have one more break coming up Wednesday night. It's a jumbo box of Topps Chrome and one hobby box of Topps Chrome. That is on eBay. You guys check it out. Listed under Cook's Cards. And we'll break it right here on this channel. 10 p.m. Wednesday night. All right, let's see what we got. Means, Orioles. Got a silver prism DeGrom. Josh Bell Illusions. Rated rookie Zach Gallen. Christian Yelich. Carpenter. Mythical Aaron Judge. Not a prism. Nico Horner, rated rookie. Otani. And our next auto, Adonis Medina. Optic autographs. That's another one you don't see very often. Optic autographs. Adonis Medina for the Phillies. The auto is a little smudged. Looks like he drug his pen, but not too bad. Optic autographs. Not numbered. All right, Tristan Lutz from Milwaukee. Munoz, Lutz, Ronald Acuna All-Stars. Bryant, Chris Sale, Dustin May, the rookies for the Dodgers. Trey Turner, Soler, Chapman, rated rookie face, Jeff McNeil, Mondesi, rated prospect Andrew Vaughn, Mancini, Molina, Brian Reynolds, Keith Hernandez, Silver Prism, Cabrera, Jonathan VR, got a Soler, Diamond Optic Silver Prism, Barry Larkin, rated rookie Walton, Soler again, Anthony Rizzo. Yeah, no kidding. We're missing him in the lineup for sure. And Markakis. Forrest Whitley, rated prospect Silver Prism, Bregman, Turner. There we go. Kyle Lewis, silver rated rookie. Kyle Lewis, Silver Prism. Very nice. Nice hit for Zach. Sleeve these up. Hernandez. And Andrew Vaughn. All right, last of the mega box. Deaver stained glass. Not a prism. Justin Dunn. Nick Senzel. Our next auto is going to be Patrick Sandoval, Los Angeles Angels, numbered to 99. Very nice for the Angels. I'm guessing that's orange. Nice looking auto. So yeah, so each mega box on average had one auto, so that's pretty good. Finish this up. Bregman Mythical, not a prism. Sandoval, Jeff McNeil, Alberto Mondesi, Eddie Murray, Sheldon Noose, Cueto, Hiera, Mookie Betts Silver Prism, Anthony Kay, Brian Anderson, got a Ryu Silver for the Blue Jays, Lindor, not a prism, and a Jake Fraley. All right, let's get into the hobby box. Here we go. Good luck. All right, guys, let's see if we can pull a monster here. All right, Bolanos, Padres, Blake Snell, Yelich, Mythical Baez, not a prism, Rosarena, Josh Bell, Andrew Munoz Silver, Susugo, the rookies, Garrett Cole, Arraez, and we've got a Mike Soroka. Looks like a, I don't think it's a pink, it's a red to 60. Soroka for the Braves. Nice hit, Gary. Let's leave these up. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing him give it a shot. I mean, they brought up Pache just to see what he would do, and he's struggling a little bit at the plate, but I think that once he settles in, he should be fine. Speaking of Pache, here he is. Pache for the Braves. Alonso. Rhys Hoskins. Got a Devers stained glass. And that is a prism. George Brett. Rated rookie Sam Hilliard. Juan Soto. Buster Posey. Bryant. Otani. Chris Bryant again. Looks like our first auto for the hobby box is coming up. It's a catcher. Eric Haas. Cleveland Indians. Signature series. Getting some weird signatures tonight. These are that's 3 inserts. 3 insert autos. That's pretty rare. Eric Haas for the Indians. Nice hit, Lewis. And that is not numbered. Right. Wade Boggs for the Red Sox. Rated rookie Bobby Bradley. Brian Reynolds. Jeff McNeil. Silver. And we got a Bobby Witt rated prospect for the Royals. Gruyan. DeGrom. Silver Mondesi. Got a Jordan Alvarez Illusions. BR. Molina. And our next auto is right behind it. Let's see what we got. Debbie Gruyan, Philadelphia Phillies. It's pink velocity. Nice. That is not numbered, but it is a nice hit for the Phillies. David H. Congrats. Very nice. All right, finish these up real quick. Got Tony Gwynn, Juan Soto, Matt Carpenter, Bregman Mythical. That is a prism. And Illusions DeGrom. Yeah, it's quite a mix of autos. It's definitely different. Still looking for a couple monsters here. I'd like to see a Robert and maybe a Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. Let's see what we can get. Here we go. Arenado, Anthony Rizzo, rated prospect Silver Prism Mackenzie Gore. Nice hit, Padres. Dylan Cease, the rookies. Trey Turner. Soler, we've got a pink velocity of Zach Gallion. I am sure everybody just saw that one. Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. Nice hit, Robert. Very nice. Yamamoto. Mondesi. Silver Acuna. Winfield. John Means. Jeff McNeil. And our next auto. Save that. I'm going to save that auto for last. Juan Soto. And Yamaguchi. The Soto, the mythical, is not a prism. Chris Sale. Kevin Mitchell. Cabrera. Rated rookie Jake Rogers. Rendon. There it is. Didn't we already pull that one? I think we did. This was actually a silver prism, though, even nicer. Lewis Robert. Silver prism for the White Sox. Robert S. Nice hit. Very nice. Go ahead and sleeve these up. Pink velocity. I forgot we got to open these mega box bonus packs. So we'll do that right at the end. Mackenzie Gore, silver prism. Nice hit. Yep. Congrats, Heather. Nice hits. All right. Got another Joey Bart, rated prospect. Mythical Lindor, Laureano, Bregman. We might have a hot box. We got another auto. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think we got a hot box of autos, guys. I'm going to save that one for last too. Brock Burke, rated rookie. Marcus Semien. Chris Sale, silver prism. Bo Bichette, stained glass. Nick Senzel. Jose Altuve, and we do have another auto. So this is a hot box. I believe there's 2 auto hot boxes and 2 colored, numbered colored boxes in each case. So we got lucky and pulled a hot box of autos. Here, Illusions, Josh Donaldson, Marte. We've got a red, white, and blue Bobby Bradley. Rated rookie, that should be numbered to 76. I'm sorry, 150. And Joey Votto Illusions. Bichette stained glass, not a prism. All right, let's see. We'll start with the one covered by the Mets. And we've got Tyrone Taylor for the Brewers. Auto rated rookie. It's actually a silver prism auto. Even nicer. This is a really nice box. All these have been pretty sweet autos, so it's a good box for sure. Brewers, Robert S. Congrats. Another hit for you, sir. All right, Altuve or Bregman? I don't hear any garbage cans being beat on, so let's see. We'll go with Bregman. Rated rookie, Zach Collins, Chicago catcher. Chicago White Sox. Nice hit, Robert. All right, let's get us a big one in this last one right here. It's a prism. Very nice. Bo Bichette, numbered to 125 for the Toronto Blue Jays. Wow, Robert S. You bought half the break, sir. It's paying off. Very nice hit. Beautiful card. Wow. Beautiful card. Congrats again. Bo Bichette, Blue Prism, a 111 of 125. Very nice. Guys, I apologize for overlooking these bonus packs. We'll go ahead and crack those. Let's see if we can get an auto on one of these. I don't think I've seen an auto come out on one of these before, but let's see what we can get. All right. And these are the Carolina Blue Prisms. I think all of these are Carolina Blue Prisms. So those are the special cards in the bonus packs for the mega boxes. They are not numbered. Got Calhoun, Votto, Brandon Lowe, Matt Olson, rated rookie Sean Murphy, Barrera, Diamond Kings Devers, Jake Fraley. And I will sleeve all these up, guys, all these prisms before we ship. Shane Bieber, Jack Flaherty, Nola, Ozzie Albies, Javi Baez, rated rookie Dylan Cease, TJ Zoop, and Bryce Harper, Diamond Kings. Alex Bregman, Anthony Rendon, Josh Donaldson, Marte, Marcus Semien, Javi Baez All-Stars, rated rookie Sean Murphy, and rated rookie Trace Barrera. All right, so we did get a hot box, so that was a nice little bonus for us. Let's just do a quick recap and we'll get out of here. Do appreciate you guys joining again. Again, I am a fairly new breaker. I'll be posting most of my stuff right now on eBay. Cook's Cards, Cook's Card Breaks on Facebook and YouTube. We'll get this uploaded to the YouTube page as soon as we get done here tonight. And I do appreciate you guys joining. So, quick recap. Bo Bichette Stained Glass. We had a Zach Gallen Pink Velocity. Jason Dominguez. Lewis Robert, the rookies. Had a Bobby Witt Jr. Susugo. Lewis Robert again, the rookies. Had an Andrew Vaughn Silver Prism. Kyle Lewis Silver Prism. Dustin May, the rookies. Brandon McKay Silver Prism. Blake Snell Silver Prism. Mackenzie Gore, Joey Bart, Acuna Prism, Mythical, Giolito Silver Prism, and Bo Bichette Stained Glass, and that is a Prism. Thanks, Matthew. Thanks for joining, bud. And let's take a look at our autos. Started it off with an Evan White for Seattle. Fireworks, not numbered. Very nice auto. Zach Collins for the White Sox, rated rookie. Eric Haas, Cleveland Indians, Signature Series. Adonis Medina for the Phillies, Optic autographs. And we had a Devi Gurion for the Phillies, Pink Velocity, rated rookie, auto, nice hit. Tyrone Taylor, Silver Prism for the Brewers. Patrick Sandoval, Los Angeles Angels, that's an orange prism, numbered to 99. Nice hit. And last but not least, Bo Bichette, blue prism, rated rookie, numbered to 125. Very nice hit. All right, guys, I'll get these shipped out tomorrow. Again, thanks for joining the break. I'll get this uploaded, and you guys have a great night. Thanks.